Okay, this is 604 model, so this is a new firmware. So you need to do on the screen, select language, and set the password. Okay, activate. Then if you have network on the switch, you can enable the DHCP. Okay, it's changed already. Then next, then select the time zone where you are located. Okay, then time and date, make sure it is correct. Next, no need to connect with Wi-Fi since you connect with the internet already. And then select the outdoor serial number. Outdoor serial number is this one. 431. So 431 is the last digit. So select the 431. Then next, if you have extension, you can enable, but since only one, next, enable for the HIC Connect for the mobile, then set the verification code. Okay, finish. After a few seconds, it will work. Okay, when you see this one, it's perfectly connected with the outdoor. But if this one with this triangular error, it means it's not properly connected. Okay, so right now, calling. Hello? Then you can open the door.
The door is open.
Okay.